What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden of Barchuckin. I'm going to go ahead and show you today. I'm making up a little worm chow for the worms. So I'll show you my recipe of what I'm using. So these are the items that I'll be using for my worm chow. It'll be 1 part of the cornmeal, 1 part of the flour, and 2 parts of the oats. And then I will add a little bit of ground up eggshells into that mix. And then now the oats, I'll go ahead and grind them up. We'll start with that and see if I need to add any more. Okay, so that is 1 part. I'm going to add, I think, around 2 ounces of ground eggshells. Okay, got the lid on. I want to shake it up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join us and come along, see how the progression of this worm bin is. So I'm going to use this primarily for the bin that has the slugs in it. I'm going to go ahead and minimize the amount of food scraps that I actually put in there and just go more with the worm chow to see if I can go ahead and kind of control the slugs with that. This is at least the recipe that I'm using for this round. It was 2 parts ground oats, 1 part flour, 1 part cornmeal, and I guess a 1/4 part eggshell for grit. I will continue to add a little bit of eggshells, you know, to help with controlling the pH, and then also once again putting a little calcium back in the bin, help the worms with cocoons, and then also, you know, start kind of supercharging those castings, so when I put it out in the garden I'll have a good blend of nutrients in those castings. Hey, don't forget to comment. Let me know in the comments what you think about the recipe, you know, what you would change, what you would add. You know, I always like the input. This should last me a little while, but I'm not opposed to trying out other recipes. Well, thanks for coming along, everybody. Have a great day. If you can see this, it's a reflection off the raised garden beds. You can't even see out there. It's awesome.